Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Halloween kids activities that combines creativity, fun, and a touch of spookiness. We're excited to introduce you to the National Geographic Creepy Creatures Rock Painting Kit. This fantastic arts and crafts kit is perfect for kids who want to express their artistic flair while getting into the Halloween spirit. This kit is designed for children aged 6 and up and comes with everything they need to create their very own creepy rock creatures. With Halloween just around the corner, what better way to celebrate than by transforming ordinary river rocks into imaginative and spooky decorations? Inside the box, you'll find 10 river rocks, a palette, a paintbrush, and 10 vibrant paint colors. That include everything from classic black and white to more colorful shades like red, green, and purple. But that's not all. The kit also includes 30 googly eyes to add a fun twist to your creations and 2 sheets of spooky transfer decals to really bring your rocks to life. Let's get started. The painting process is straightforward and engaging. First, choose a rock that inspires you. Then, using the provided paintbrush, dip it into your favorite color and start painting. Kids can create all sorts of creatures, think ghosts, monsters, or even their favorite Halloween animals. The possibilities are endless. After painting, it's time to get creative with those googly eyes. Kids will love sticking these on their rocks to give them personality and make them extra silly. And for those who want to take their creations up a notch, the transfer decals are a game changer. Just peel, stick, and add a little water, and watch as your design transfers onto the rock like magic. Look at these amazing creations. Each rock is unique, showcasing the child's creativity and artistic skills. This kit isn't just about painting, it encourages kids to express themselves and explore their imagination. Plus, it makes for great Halloween decorations that they can proudly display at home or even give as gifts to friends and family. What's great about the National Geographic Creepy Creatures Rock Painting Kit is that it also serves as an educational tool. It encourages fine motor skills, color recognition, and creativity. Engaging in arts and crafts is known to enhance cognitive development in children, making this kit not just fun but beneficial as well. In conclusion, if you're looking for an exciting, hands-on activity for your kids this Halloween, the National Geographic Creepy Creatures Rock Painting Kit is an excellent choice. It's affordable, packed with materials, and guarantees hours of fun. So gather your little ones, unleash their creativity, and let them create their own spooky masterpieces. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun product reviews. Happy Halloween, and let the creativity flow.